This is apparently the world's first ever AI car stereo. It fits singled-in cars and has a floating movable screen, as you can see in this video here. It does all sorts of really cool things, from graphic equalizers and all that type of things to cameras you can attach to it. You can do all sorts of really cool stuff with this device. It even has ChatGPT built in. From car diagnostics, GPS, you can even control lights in your car. I have been sent by a sponsor for review what is meant to be apparently the world's first AI car stereo, right? Today's video we're going to be getting it out of the box, having a look at it, fitting it to the T4 and seeing what it's all about. It should be a good one. Let's get into it. Right, let's open this box up and have a look what we got. I've been sent this by a company called ATOTO, and that is, it's the ATOTO X10. Apparently the retail price of this is like, they sent me a link saying it was like nearly like £900 or something, but anyway, look, that's the AI symbol, video, all this stuff. So it's Android. Let's just get into it, shall we? Let's open this up, see what I've been sent. What is in this box here? This is all the wiring. Apparently, if you've got if you've got a double DIN, apparently you can have this and put it underneath to fill the gap, because this is a single DIN. They do these in double DIN as well, but this is a single DIN floating screen jobby. So I'm not going to be needing that. I've just dropped bloody wires on the floor and I don't, okay, I'm stuck. I need to get, you bastard. I think I just broke my flies. Right, back to the box. What is this? This is some kind of receiver. I wonder if that's for GPS or something. Let's have a look what else is in here. We've got fitting stuff, brackets. Oh wow, we got screen protectors, just like you get on a phone. Actual screen protectors. They went all out, didn't they? What else is in here? What is that? We have, oh wow, we have a SIM card. That must be for the internet. You know, it's linked to the internet constantly. So don't know if I have to pay a subscription or what the deal with that is. Easy lot data SIM card. I'll have to look more into that. Take these off. Oh shit balls. Take that off. That is obviously the cage. That goes into there, and then I screw, oh I see. By the looks of it, got a screen protector on already, yeah. So that's it there. Floating screen, but what you can actually do is you can undo these, make the screen go up and down, tilt it that way, in and out, and you can do all these different movements with it. Right, let's go and see if we can get this fitted to my T4 and see what it's all about, shall we? Okay, the first thing I'm going to have to do is get my old stereo out. This one's quite loose, so it should just come out, to be fair. This one is not even in properly. I should be able to just wiggle it out and have a look what we're working with here. Oh no, that aerial's going to be a... Alright, so that literally plugs straight in. Is it going to be as simple as that? That plugs straight into the back of that? Really? Is it really going to be that simple? The aerial. Oh, this comes with its own aerial. Should I read the instructions? Should I? Let's have a look. Right. Let's have a look at the instructions. Got to get this cage out. Oh, there's actually no plastic cage in there. Has this got an aerial slot in the back? It does. I don't have the right bloody aerial thing for this. Let's test power first. Let's test power. So, oh, where's the other plug on? I've lost it already. There it is. So, that one is, what are they? That's power and stuff. Let's see what happens if I plug that in. And let's plug, this is a speaker one. The thing is, my vehicle has only got one speaker that works. that one doesn't work. It's crackling, so I need to get new speakers. But let's just see what happens when I plug it in, shall we? Will we get power? Oh, where's my keys? Okay. Will we get power? Will it be as easy as plug in and play? No way. It's not as easy as that, is it? Oh, stop beeping at me. It's just going to beep at me the whole time, isn't it? It really does work straight away. That's mad. All right, let's unplug it. Let's unplug it and sort out how we want it to sit. Look at that. Oh, it's on when it's off. Wow. Instant. Okay, let's unplug it and see if I can find an aerial wire. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to Halfords and get a bloody aerial thing. Typical. I would have thought if this was AI, it would at least have DAB radio, wouldn't it? I've lost the aerial wire now. There. Okay, so we need one of them things that plug into that.
2 hours later.
Okay, something you haven't just seen is that I've just spent an hour trying to get this to work, but there's no aerial. I mean, there is an aerial. I plugged the aerial in. I even went and bought one of these from Halfords to try and get it to work. Let's try again. Watch. It's all wired up as it should be. Let's have a look. Do we have... By the way, my mic just ran out, the battery died, so that's why we go micless right now. Let's have a look. Yes, I know. Let's see if we got radio. The most important thing for me is to have a radio when I'm listen to when I'm driving along. And right now, it's not recognising the area at all. Plugged it in, went and bought one of these from Halfords, nothing. See? It won't pick up anything. But 98.2, let's try and... We all know 98.2 is Radio 1, so we know there's a powerful station there. Nothing. Just hissing. Not a thing. Right? So if I pull that out, and just to be sure, to be safe, I've gone and bought, I can get this old one out, I've gone and bought another one. Just in case that one was faulty, I've gone and bought another one from Halfords. Let's have a look. Nothing. Plugging the aerial in, we've got no radio whatsoever. No radio. And I know this aerial works because my other stereo works fine. So, yeah, all the AI stuff and all the digital and all the Android stuff is really cool. But unless I've got a radio to listen to when I'm driving, it's pointless having this in the vehicle. So, I'm not sure what to do right now. Let's put that up there and see, and hope maybe it's something to do with this. But I don't think so. This is gutting. No. No radio whatsoever. Nothing. Nothing. Search. No radio whatsoever. Just goes back to that. And if this is so annoying, what about AM? Is there an AM station? It's so frustrating. I'm leaving that there. I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt still, right? I'm going to go indoors, just in case it's the old aerial in this T4. I'm going indoors, I'm going to go on Amazon, and I'm going to buy me a plug-in aerial that I can stick on the windscreen, you know, a proper modern aerial that you'd have in a vehicle. I'm going to go and buy one of them. It should come tomorrow, and then we'll finish the video then, which will be now. And we'll see if it actually is this, or it's just my aerial. Cut to tomorrow. And just like that, it's the next day. A shitty rainy day. Right, this has just turned up. Let's see if this makes a difference, or if I can scent the world's first faulty AI cast aerial. This better work, I'm telling you, this better work, because otherwise this has been such a anticlimax. And nobody likes anticlimax, do they? Right, let's get this aerial. Ooh. Let's get this aerial right over there, right in there. Get it right over there. Oh, one over here, yeah. That's right. Let's try. Let's see. Let's pull this thing out. Get that out. Okay. Let's plug this aerial straight in. There we go. Let's just put this back in there for now. It's easier than holding it. Just like that. Just get in. If I can. There we go. Just there like that. Right. Moment of truth. Have we got radio? Ooh. I know. Shush. I know. Come on. Do we have radio? I'm even going to put this out of the window. I'm going to put this aerial outside on the roof, out the window. Just to... Oh, look at that. You are kidding me, man. Oh. Oh no, hang on. Pick up something. Oh. There's no area, there's no... Nothing. Let's try and manually get it to 98.2. It's nothing. There is no... Oh. Oh. What was that? What was that? I heard a noise. Come on. It's showing, look, it's showing all this GPS, high-tech GPS stuff. Digital assistant, storage, apps. But I just want the frickin' radio. That's all I want, is a radio. Oh look, I can change that to do that. Don't know what else to suggest. Look, there's not many fittings on the back. You've got that for GPS antenna. This is the normal radio aerial, same as any other bloody thing. Plug it in, twist it around, push it as far as I can. Nothing. This one didn't work, that one now doesn't work. Wow. I'm not sure this is the review that ATOTO was hoping for from me. But I'm just going to be open and honest. What am I supposed to do with this? It's a cool bit of kit. If they had the radio, I'd be well happy. But the most basic function, it hasn't got. What do you want me to do? Oh well, I can put my old stereo back in for now. Well, that is that. That weren't what we was expecting, was it? I was expected to be making a video saying, look at this cool bit of kit I got sent. This is really cool. It is still a really cool bit of kit, but I don't know what to do with it now. I've got my old stereo back in right now because I need to listen to radio when I'm driving. I need something on. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully I'll be doing another video on this. Or hopefully this won't be the end of this video, and I've messaged, I emailed, sorry, ATOTO. I emailed ATOTO, and told them that there's a problem with the aerial and that, and they said, okay, thank you for letting us know. We'll get on this straight away, and we'll get the person in the what do you call it, department, the technical department to be in touch with you to resolve the problem. So they were on it instantly, right? But yeah, but I've not had an email from that person in the technical department yet. So we'll see. Since recording this, the technical department did contact me, basically asking if I checked the aerials and just telling me to do all the stuff that I've done. I've waited a couple of days. I basically told them, yes, it's still not working. Waited a couple of days and they still haven't got back to me. So I thought, sod it, just going to post a video. Anyway, people, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for checking this video out. It was not what I expected either, don't worry. Yeah, I'm still left with my stock stereo and I've not got an AI thing in my van and I'm not all excited. And yeah, bit of a letdown really, but hey ho, you live and learn. Got a nice paperweight. Might even use it as I might even put it in the back of the van and make some speakers and just have it as a music, because it still plays. It's still going to play music and stuff and do all the other stuff it's meant to do. Still got ChatGPT on it. It's just that I can't get a radio station, which for the front of the van, kind of important to me. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that bollocks. And see you in the next one.